For over 25 years, hundreds of happy families and beautifully crafted homes, Mendiola knows what it takes to bring comfort, style, and function together in perfect harmony. Convert your home office into a space that doesn't just organize your work, but inspires your best ideas every day. A private home theater where your family gathers, laughter fills the room, and movie nights feel unforgettable. Walls that tell your story, with rich, vibrant paint finishes that elevate every corner of your home. Staircases that do more than connect levels. They add elegance, flow, and that wow factor as soon as you step in. At Mendiola, we don't just remodel, we reimagine spaces so you can live, work, and relax in ways you never thought possible. It's time to create the home you've always dreamed of. Talk to us today, and let's bring your vision to life.